Hi Gavin, pleased to meet you. Matt
Yes,
here.
yes,
So what did you bring me today? Something I've always wanted.
yeah,
Brought me a 39 Chevy Coupe.
yes.
At least one I didn't change into a coupe myself.
This is already chopped.
Yeah, it's actually a nice job. The guy that did it did a pretty job.
Yes,
The body is not bad at all. We can do something with it.
yeah. Still
So,
an original chassis as well.
yeah, no, that, and I think I'm gonna leave this thing straight axle. And I'm gonna basically build what you had envisioned, and let's see how it goes.
Yes,
Thanks a lot, Gavin.
yes.
Okay, so this is Gavin from GB Auto.
GB Scrapyard.
Yeah, GB Scrapyard
Scrapyard.
in Oudtshoorn. Please support him. He's got some nice stuff there, some oldies and classics. He travels all over the country here as well.
Yes.
So if it's worth it, give him a shot. Alright, now that Gavin has left, my rear end is itching. I want to see what I've got to play with. So let's just put wheels and suspensions underneath this thing just to get a visual how she's going to look. Remember, this thing is a rod I wanted low to the ground and a straight axle. Let me quickly just lift this front end up and get the front axle in so long with tires. Just get this thing off the ground. Then I'm just going to slide that straight axle. I'm not going to put springs or anything right now. So I'm just trying to get a visual what I'm going to do with this thing. Let me just quickly get that side. And get my jack underneath that. Get a visual. Just get this thing a bit better centered as it's shortened. Actually, lovely job on the shortening who did it. Let me lower the car a bit. Let's get some wheels on the equation, and that's so we can see what we can see. This reminds me of Lego. Something like that. Or bucky wheels that my friend Gavin had. Right about there. That should be center. And that should be center as well. Then we'll have our visual when we put the mud guards. Man, that looks great. Nice and low. That's already a perfect stance for a rod. I might have to lift it up a tad bit, but when I work on it I'll do that. Alright, time to get to the back. Just lift this up, maybe place something underneath the side so I can get to the center at the back. This was the blocks they put, so they can just have it on wheels when they had it. Pretty little car this actually. Man, they're tasting the 50s. Alright, now I can put the rear axle in. I'm thinking maybe I must put the rear axle one wheel and then in. Here we go. Should be high enough to put the rear axle in. Working on the field quickly. I think that one missed. Let me just pick it up. Missed by a little. That's the get one wheel this side. Then we'll concentrate on getting a wheel the other side. They actually had spacer blocks for it to sit on. On this stuff. I'm thinking maybe a nice dragling setup or ladder bar setup, doesn't matter. I'm thinking there. That should be it. Just get the wheels on, yeah. Okay, cool. Let me put some blocks underneath there because I think my jack's too close. Right, let me quickly go other side, lift that up, get it into place. Then I think I'll put that side the wheel first. Because it will give me a bit extra room as that side's lifted up now. Later on I'll see if I can get the welder out here and just tag us things so you can move it. Because it's actually what it's about. See how it looks and be able to move it back and forth. First I need to finish my 37 and the C50 before I can start working on this, I guess. Let's have a look. Put a wheel and see how it looks. Bit up more. Old rusty threads. Man, I've got a far way to go. Let's have a look when we put a front flip on this car. I need to put a nut and bolt in there. Okay, we go and get some nuts and bolts. We also put the other side. Quickly have a look. Right, now I can hook up the mud guards and see how she's gonna look. Then finalize it by topping off with a bonnet. We quickly get more nuts. This is too much of a pretty car to be a rat rod. I think this thing deserves to be a proper rod, not a rat rod. Oh, this is a pretty rod. I've got some space for it, but let's see the visual effect. I'll be excited when working on this. Next one to start. We get the bonnet. Should be about how it should be. Bit of metal work. Oh, that should be a pretty rod. The back tire is flat. That's why it's standing skew. But yes, let's get the visual effect of this. Man, this thing's going to look nice when I build this thing. Can't wait. Please like and subscribe, everybody, for more on our rusty old piles of junk. Peace out, everybody.